Hey, it's Matt. Just finished up the keynote speech and on to the workshop session. We're doing an hour-and-a-half workshop after this 60-minute keynote. So I wanted to give you a glimpse. They're actually in the room right now working, and we're focused on these if-then statements around self-control, controlling our emotions. And I want to give you a glimpse of like what high performance is all about, because these people have committed to getting better, and the work they're putting in right now, it's going to pay huge dividends. So walk with me. I'll give you a glimpse at the room. I'll try to be quiet because they're working. So let's take a walk. See how quiet that is? That means people are developing themselves. Take time for yourself to grow and develop today. See you soon.